Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect TikTok Ads Manager to drive affiliate traffic, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your TikTok Ads Manager account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts on the TikTok Ads website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Assets tab in the top menu. From the drop-down, select Campaigns. Now, click on the Create button to start a new. Choose your marketing objective tailored for traffic and conversions. Set a name for your campaign that reflects its purpose. Next, set your budget for the campaign, either daily or lifetime. Proceed to the Ad Group settings. Here, define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behavior. Select the placements for your ads, keeping TikTok as your primary focus. You can also allow TikTok to automatically place your ads. Now, set your budget and schedule for the ad group. After that, you will create your ad. Choose the ad format that best suits your affiliate product, such as image, video, or carousel. Upload your creative assets, ensuring they are engaging and aligned with TikTok style. Include a strong call to action to drive affiliate traffic effectively. In the destination section, input your affiliate link, ensuring it is correct. Make sure to include tracking parameters to monitor your results. Review all details in the ad preview to ensure they meet your expectations. Once you're satisfied, click on the Submit button to launch your ad campaign. Monitor your campaign performance regularly, making adjustments as necessary. Analyze the data provided by TikTok Ads Manager to optimize future campaigns. Consider A/B testing different creatives or audiences to improve performance. Keep learning about TikTok trends to enhance your affiliate marketing strategies. Using TikTok Ads Manager effectively can significantly boost your affiliate traffic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.